Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to disable two-step verification on your Best Buy account. We will also put links in the description below for Best Buy deals and promotions for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website bestbuy.com. Then click on the account option. A drop-down list will appear and you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Account Settings. Click on Account Settings. Under Account Settings is a section for Account Security. Under it is an option for Set up two-step verification. Click on Set up two-step verification. Since we set up two-step verification via text, a security code will be sent to the associated phone number. If you selected Authenticator app, the step would be different. So once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. Next, you will see an option for Disable, beside the method you selected. Click on Disable. You will then receive another security code. Enter it on the field provided, or you could also use one of the backup codes. Then click on the button that says Disable two-step verification. And now the two-step verification has been disabled. That's how you disable two-step verification on your Best Buy account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.